Hello, today we're going to explore the PoodLL on Moodle. So here we are. I have already clicked here and opened the editor, the rich editor, and here are the PoodLL features. We can record an MP3, have an audio recording, a video recording, we can draw a picture, or we can take a picture. Let's try the audio recording feature. I clicked, and once I press the record button, the recording begins. I have the option to pause it and then continue again, and when I am done with it, I press the stop button and my recording is ready. I can play to check it, which is a good idea, because once I upload and insert it, I can't hear it before I post the forum. So let's check. The recording begins. I have the option to pause it, and when I am done with it, I press the stop button. If I'm happy with the recording, I upload. If I'm not, I cancel and start over. I'm going to upload and insert. There it is. Now let's try the video recording. Now you can all see me, so I'm going to record. Hello, my name is Maria Floraki and I am a participant in the Moodle for Teachers course in EVO 2018. I hope you're all enjoying the course and learning new things. Thank you. Again, I had the option to pause and resume, and now I'm going to check what I did. Hello, my name is Maria Floraki and I'm a participant in the Moodle for Teachers course in EVO 2018. I hope you're all enjoying the course and learning new things. Thank you. If I decide I want to keep the recording, I upload. And insert. It must be somewhere here, and it will show when I post the forum. Now let's see what we can do here with the drawing tool. I have the toolbar up here. I can use the color I like. Let's pick this one. And I'll try to make a simple drawing. I guess I'll make a heart. It seems to be a simple thing to do. Okay, if I'm not happy with it, I can erase it. If I want to, let's see, if I want to make it make my lines thicker or less, I can choose from here. If I want, I won't press that one. I'm not sure what these do. Shall I try? Let's try here again. Well, let's see what this does. Anyway, I guess my picture was saved by clicking there. Now I can insert it. Yes, here it is. And now let's try that to take a picture. All I have to do is click on this button when I'm ready. My picture is okay, so I upload it and insert it. Once I'm done, I can go and post to forum, which I'm going to do in a minute after I check everything again. So, thanks for watching. I hope this has been of help.